Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby, beautiful natural makeup. For short, you can call me Ruby. So today, you guys, I see a hack and TikTok, and I want to try this hack out. So I am going to prime my face. I already masterized. This is my primer brush. You can get these at Walmart. They are from ELF, and I'm going to use the matte puffy primer on my face. So I am going to prime my face, and then I am going to show you what and try this hack out. My brush is a little bit damp because I did wash it. So I am going into the primer here and I'm using the brush to prime my face. So I am barefaced. The video is a little bit grainy. It's early in the morning, so I hope you can see it, you guys. So I made the primer a little bit dry on the face. So the hack that I learned, this is my Black Radiant powder right here. So I am going to put it into this, which is I use sometimes to mix makeup from Mary Kay. I got this when I was selling Mary Kay. So I put the powder in this. Let's show you the powder. And now I am going to use this foundation from ELF. And I am going to put the foundation in the powder. And I am going to mix the foundation. So I'm going to use this brush here to mix the foundation with the powder together. I have something here that I could use, but the thing is that I cannot find it. So I'm mixing the foundation with the powder here. You can use whatever you have to do this. Okay, so this is the foundation with the powder. It's a little bit thicker, so I am going to use it on the face. So guys, you can see this look really amazing. It look really nice on the face. You can see how beautiful it look mixing with the powder. Look at this. It looks so nice. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it look really nice on the face. And it's not too thick. So the other thing I learned also, because you know I go on TikTok a lot, the other thing I learned was it is a hack, and it was I learned this. This is a concealer from LA Girl, and it's to put the concealer around your eyes like an eye, and then I'm using one concealer. So this is the other thing I learned on TikTok. So I'm gonna blend this out. So guys, this is my final look for my hack with the foundation and the powder mixed together, and I just do a simple natural eyes and just a little bit of mascara and some lip gloss to go with it. So this is the final look, you guys. I don't have on any powder on my face. I did not put any powder on my face except for the powder that I use to mix with the foundation to put on my face, and that's all I have. No setting powder underneath my eyes, no powder over my face. This is how the look turned out. I really love this look, you guys. It feels really nice on the skin. The powder is not too heavy. It's more of a silky nice powder, you guys. And I just mixed the powder with the foundation in the hack and I put it on. So right now I'm not wearing any other powder on my face except for what I mixed with the foundation. This is my final look. This is how it turned out. Really and truly love this look, and it looked really nice on the skin. It looked natural. It's not feeling too dry or too cakey. The only thing I do, I have some clove leaf spray and I use this to spread my face after I finish. This is the clove leaf. I just make tea with it, like put it in water, boil it, make it cool, and just use it over my face. So it gives me that really nice glow. But you guys, thank you so much again for watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell, and when I upload a video you can be notified. I am going to use this some more and try this even in this winter. If I'm going out, I'm gonna try this because I really and truly love the feeling of this foundation with the powder mixed together for my face. So thank you again. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.